What's going on, Black Dragonrider fans? How you guys doing? I like that voice. Hope you guys like it. In fact, I hope you guys love it, because it is Friday, and it means Friday for people. It is payday. That's right, damn motherfucking payday. Yeehaw! Well, it's actually good for me, ish, but right now I'm actually heading off and get some petrol, because I am low on petrol because of work. So if you guys remember me going to another location on my last video, where I had to well, yeah, I had to go there obviously for work, and I didn't like it. Well, when I got home, I am literally low on fuel, and they wanted me to go back to Raw. Yeah, they wanted me to go back to Raw, and I said to them that, sorry, I can't go there because I'm low on fuel. I'm like literally low on fuel. I says I will probably get halfway there and be stuck in the middle of nowhere in the dark. They said, okay, fair enough. I was also, as well, was considering that can I get to other jobs, because again, I was low on fuel. So I looked in my tank, and I had to get myself a nice good clean stick and poked the stick into the tank and find out how much petrol got left. Yeah, I don't have a lot of fuel left in my tank, so I'm heading to the petrol station right now to fuel up before this one decides to go, oh daddy, I have nothing to drink, I'm bloody dehydrated and I need some petrol. So at the moment I'm kind of shitting myself at the moment, because I don't want this to bog out of me. So I'm thinking that if I keep it to low revs, I would make it, but by the looks of it, I think I am making it. Dangerous place. That woman should have done what I should have done is just go into that gap. This is a slip-in lane. Instead, she had to stop in the middle of a roundabout. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. So I made it. I made it. So they're waiting for... Bingo. Oops. It's just okay, here to make sure. I bet look, loads of people's pissing off. There's a bloody queue. So if I see a spot that I can actually fit in, I'm taking it, don't care. Yeah, as I was saying, when I told my agency about that I didn't have no money to get a bout, there was being sort of a bit of a being a dick, actually. was being a dick about it, and I was like, well, if I did go to the job and I run out of petrol and I can't get hold of you because your office opens at 7 AM, what am I going to do? What am I going to do if that I had no petrol, I was in the middle of nowhere? How am I supposed to contact you? And she was like, oh yeah, you're right there. I was like, well, I don't know why you're being upset of me turning down a job for a reason. It's not like I don't want to work. I do want to work. I do want to work. But it's not my fault that I'm low on fuel, because I already said to them, so I'm not getting paid. Well, I did got paid now, so I can actually just go to the agency or phone them up and say, yeah, I got money now, I got petrol, so now I can work. When's the job available for Monday start work? But the biggest problem when I got paid, it's not a living wage. It's not a living wage, and I was a bit concerned, and my mind says, should I, carry on, do what I'm doing, working for the agency, or try to get a job from a company? Because I was a bit worried, but I think that's just part of the first wage. Even though when you've never been working for ages, and you got your first money coming in, you think to yourself, this is not a living wage. How the hell am I going to supposed to pay for my rent and food? That reminds me, I need to get some bread, some tomatoes and that, and make some sandwiches for Monday, and some few drinks. I go to a pound shop or shop that do good deals, a can of drink or something like that, and survive that until Monday, well, till Friday. Because the one thing because at the moment, the only big worry that I'm having right now is my rent. That's the only thing that I am worried about. I already paid for my insurance, not for this month, I paid it for next month, because I tried to pay for this month that I missed. They said they tried to took money out, and I know for 100% the fact there was no money in my account for that day. So I said to this, well, the woman said to me, it says it's best that you wait on the 3rd of next month, we'll send you a letter. So I was like, okay then. I mean, today I got paid £205. It's not a lot. So next time, if I do get paid again, I'm going to pay £200 on my insurance, or pay £100 on my insurance, and get the insurance out of the way. And after, when I paid off my insurance, I can pay off my hard drive. And they jacked up the freaking price again for I'm supposed to pay £10 and 80 something p, and they said, oh yeah, you got to pay £28 something. I went, what? You freaking kidding me? They've been a very jokey company, very jokey company. So I want to try and pay off my hard drive. Anyway guys, I will speak to you in a bit. Yeah, I was saying is that I paid for my insurance. My phone bill was due as well. I paid that one as well, and also my hard drive. So I guess that I got one more thing that I need to do, is make sure to pay for this month's insurance but I'm more certain about my rent. But I am, that's the only thing I'm concerning right now is my rent. That's the only thing that I'm concerning is my rent, and hopefully that I can actually pay my rent. Because that's the only thing that I am worrying about, because I don't want to be in debt again. I just managed to get myself out of debt. So I obviously already told the job centre that about the situation that I'm in. I already turned around to them that it's not a living wage, because it really pees me off when a contract said it's ongoing. You turn around to the agency, I says I'm looking for this particular job, Monday to Friday. I don't care if I, start from 5:30, finish at 2, or 6 till 2, 7 till 2, or 3, or as long that I can pay my rent and have food in my fridge and freezer, I'm really not that bothered. As long that I can manage to maintain my motorcycle, then I'm fine. I'm fine with it, because I'm trying my best to make sure that Rex is in good health, make sure that my phone is paid for. So if my phone is paid for, that's good, because I need that to contact employers and agencies and that, and also phone family members if I need help with some things, or phone someone for help. I guess that I'm just worrying too much that I'm just worrying too much. Yeah, I was just going to J&S to check how much it cost. Check how much it costs for a disc brake. Disc alarm. Basically, is because I need one. What's the point of having one alarm where you can have two? I guess it looks like I have to buy myself a disc alarm on Amazon, but first I need to check out how much money I got, and if I buy myself the disc alarm, I need to find out of how much money I got left. Yeah, so I don't know what really I should do. I don't know. I think I just may have to wait till next week and find out if I'm getting a decent wage then, because I think the first wage is pretty much not good. That's the bike that was behind me. Freaking sound beaut, but I'm not that sort of person who will ride a certain bike like that, but it does sound good. It sounds awesome. Anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. I've pretty much said what I need to say. I hope I did. If I didn't, then there's no point redoing this video again. But anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then press the like button, or smash the like button. If you hate this video, you don't like this video, just smash the dislike button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you already have. And I will see all of you in the next one. Later.
Acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come